Hi, I'm Dr. Francisco Villa. I'm a clinical professor here at NAU Yuma. I'm going to talk to you about our biological and natural resource sciences Bachelor of Science degree program. I only have 5 minutes, so hopefully I can address a lot of your guys' questions. However, if I don't, please feel free to call me or email me. My email address is my first name dot last name, so francisco.villa at nau.edu. So an overview of our degree. It's designed as a transfer degree. Most of our students, when they come to our program, need to complete something at the community college. And usually that something is an associate degree in science. The most common degree that comes in would probably be an associate degree in biology. However, our degree is designed for multiple science associate degrees. It's also very important or very common that our students get the AJEC-S, which gets all their general electives out of the way and they can really focus on their science courses here. Some big key things for students to come in to our program that really helps them out to do well and be eligible to take our classes is they complete at least several of our lower division science courses at the community college, such as Bio 181 and 182. Those are really key requirements, and that really helps students out. And it also helps out, they also complete their first year of chemistry, so Chemistry 151 and 152. Usually when they're doing this, they'll also complete their math requirements. And the minimum math requirements for us will be pre-calculus and statistics. We would prefer calculus because that also hits the AJEC-S, but we've had students come in with just pre-calc and statistics. Ideally, it'd be nice to also complete a year of physics and 1 semester of organic chemistry, but realistically, most of our juniors that come in, they'll take our classes and then we'll also complete their year of physics and organic chemistry while at the community college as a part-time student there. While here, they'll complete unique courses for us, upper division courses. So specific ones that they'll complete will be ecology, genetics, biochemistry and their associated labs, and evolutionary biology, which is the senior capstone course. Those are our main required courses, and we also offer plenty of elective science courses for students to take. And those science elective courses will vary from year to year. But given the recent nature of the pandemic, we do have some disease-specific courses. So we have infectious disease as an upper division course, and also virology that are available for students to take. So what's unique to our program? While this program is not as large as many other biological programs, so right now we operate around 20 to 30 students a year overall in the program, we can keep things manageable and have them do specific things that larger programs can't. And in particular, all of our students are required to do 3 credits worth of either fieldwork experience or undergraduate research. And they have the opportunity to do both and to repeat them if they get into a good opportunity and get into a good position. Those courses are really good because they get students the fieldwork experience. Essentially, they're in the door in an industry working hands-on in their field, or undergraduate research, which is essentially doing science work, which is also a common requirement for a lot of postgraduate education. Also unique to our program, we've implemented as a result of an NSF grant our seminar courses, one towards career development and the other towards ethics. And career development is really great for our students because it gets them to work on their resumes, personal statements, pretty much their professional portfolio, so that when they graduate, they're at a much more competitive advantage than other students that don't spend the time to really work on that. We also have a dedicated science building here that handles all of our lab classes and all of our lectures, and the appropriate facilities and instrumentation for that. So students can really get some experience that they would see at other labs. Overall, for our fieldwork experience and undergraduate research, since 2013, essentially since I've started keeping track, they put in over 20,000 hours of work in the Yuma community, which is a lot of time, a lot of effort. So what can they do after they graduate? Most of our students actually prefer direct employment in the STEM field or related area. And so we usually have students that are pretty successful at going to federal and state agencies. So we have students that go to, at least here in Yuma, the U.S. Geological Survey, Bureau of Land Management, Bureau of Reclamation, or other areas. They've been pretty good with getting their positions into there. We also have a number of students that have been interested in and really, really successful as becoming high school science teachers. And so that's been a really easy thing. And they also work towards their certification once they start working with the high school. A lot of our really prepared students, motivated students, are also interested in postgraduate education. And so we've just, the last few years, we've established a pipeline of students to get into graduate school to work towards their doctorate or master's degree in science. And we also have students throughout the years that have gotten into professional schools, such as medical school, pharmacy, dentistry, physical therapy, nursing, or physician assistance programs. If students are competitive, willing, and interested in this, degree will help you get there and get into those unique opportunities. So a lot of people feel like they're unsure if they'll get into it, but if you're a motivated student, this program will get you into those professional schools and everything else. Thank you guys for your time.